with my pencils. And this is the, I guess, after my master, this will be the first time that I ever use different pens and different shades of colors to note down the points, whatever the source person have given to us, because I just want कि कुछ miss नहीं होना चाहिए. This is important and it has to be in red color, and this is something, this has to be underlined, this has to be bold, and something like that. And the other point is the interconnectivity between all, because we never feel that I doesn't belong to you. It seems like we know each other from a very long time, and we all have a bond like of thing. We discuss things, we share our work in a WhatsApp group also. And very of the resource person are known to us, we met them, but to listening them on this platform is like seem like कि यार पहली बार सुन रहे हैं सर को. शाया सर को I met in SEPT. uh, at that time I was in, I guess, my final years for my thesis work, and I was like, yeah, wow, kya banda hai. And then now again I'm listening to him again, I get fan of him कि यार sir को सुनते जाओ वाला feel. And I must say I really want to meet you all in person. मतलब कभी अगर लॉकडाउन खत्म होता है, I will love to be at Vijayawada and try to want to meet you all guys, because you with the smiling face. कुछ भी अगर सबसे बड़ी बात टेक्निकल इशू कोई हुआ नहीं. द वेरी फर्स्ट पॉइंट इज, बट ever we have some technical issue, we just have a smile on your face कि, and we just like हो जाएगा. It seems doesn't like that कि we sit here to point out कि इस FTP में ये नहीं था, इस FTP में ये नहीं था. At the end of the day, when I'm supposed to fill the feedback form, so I just have to, yeah, it's an excellent session. It's an excellent session. It's an excellent session. It's a lots of things we gained from this FDP. I must say. I done my master's. I'm just going for my research. I just trying to go for a PhD. But now I think nahin, you have to focus on your graduation level, Daman. It's not like that कि you go to, जैसे last time yesterday also ma'am talk about कि most of the professors are most decided for their self growth, है ना. But नहीं, now I think नहीं, I have to be for the I have here to for the students, and this FTP is really is opening for all of us. And thank you so much for providing us such a good platform to reconnect for the other persons. And I must look forward कि और FDP से ऐसी हूँ. We meet together, we meet again, and thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Architect Damandeep.
One thing I again want to add, ma'am. We in Punjab we are facing electricity crisis, if you know. And so I used to sit without fan in my room and with my mobile data, and it gets to be burst out. And but I have that spirit that I have to attend this lecture. It's very much interesting. I couldn't leave. Yesterday I have to HOA wala lesson. I have to leave because my mobile was dead at the moment, and it was really nice, really nice. Thank you to all.
Thank you so much. We'd love to meet you at Vijayawada as soon as this lockdown is over. And thank you. We also would love to meet all the participants through offline mode rather than online. We hope such a situation arises sooner. Thank you.
Definitely,
so
definitely.
Special thanks, Architect Damandeep, for in spite of all those challenges, you managed, you were able to listen to everybody, and you were able to appreciate all the finer aspects also. Thank you very much. I'm sure a lot of other is it anything you want to say?
Even I will send you my notes. You will see that it's like a worst year वाले बच्चे का काम. मतलब ऐसा होता है कि just take the red pen and do the one line, do the blue pen with the other line. It's such a beautiful notes I have made during this FDP. I must say that.
No, we understand that just like you, many other participants also might have had many challenges, but in spite of that, they were always there attending the meeting and then actively participating in the discussions or giving messages in the chat box. So thank you very much, Architect Damandeep.
Thank
you so much, ma'am. Over to Architect Deepa Sa. You can unmute yourself.
Yeah. Am I audible?
Yes.
Yeah. Thank you so much, Shanmugapriya ma'am and Lily Rose ma'am and all the other volunteers who are with you who have helped to make this program. Because I think somebody else also mentioned that design pedagogy and all faculty from across the country, we have people from the south and north and east and west, all of them coming together in one platform and sharing their views. It's something that is long needed. It should have happened long back, but it's a great start, I would say. So good that I feel bad for my colleagues and for other people who could not register or who have missed out on this. So every day I'm calling my seniors in college, my dean, and I'm telling them, that I mean, can you believe that so much is happening, and we have miles to cover, and what we are doing is not enough. So as a faculty, what I could see is that the lessons or the presentations that were made, it is shared. The work that is actually happening in colleges was shared. So it is not something that is just spoken and left for us to explore. They have shared real life, real studio experiences and work of students, which is an eye opener, and all the tools that can help us with online education and the hybrid mode in future. So I definitely am going to create a synopsis or a small summary of this and present it to the rest of my faculty in college, because I think it's something no design faculty or no architecture faculty should miss. So thank you so much once again.
Thank you, Architect Deepa, for that feedback. And if you are preparing anything like a synopsis, it would be great if you can share it with us too.
Definitely.
Yeah.
I'm doing a lecture-based thing so that everybody gets something from this.
Oh, great. Great. I think with all this, the purpose of the FDP is achieved, I think, when we get these kind of feedback. So that shows
Definitely.
that we are successful. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Architect Deepa. It was really, we really get energized, and we would like to organize much more like this. And we would like to participate when you people organize such FDPs and then try to.
Hopefully one day. For me, this is my first FDP. So I think I have a high benchmark to meet if we organize something.
Sure. Thank you so much. I think it's
Thank
going
you
to be
so much.
3:15. I have already shared the link. We can have people who have raised their hands. Meanwhile,
They can start their
you can start their assessment if you have received the link. I've already shared the link.
Is it in the chat box?
Is it in the
No. Should I can share it in the chat box also. I've sent you the mail.
Ma'am, kindly share it in the chat box, please.
Yes.
Okay.
Shall we proceed with the feedback session now?
I think now people will be busy.
We still have two people have.
They can.
Yeah, right. Their hands. Yes. The link
Yes,
has been shared in the chat.
Is Architect Kanaga Nageshwara?
Yes, madam. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Thank you, madam and Abhinaya. I'm architect Kanaka. I'm working as associate professor in BCom School of Architecture, Visakhapatnam. What I felt was this is need of the hour as sharing experiences, and with all the eminent people experiences in different modes, how we need to act and design our nearby semesters classes in online. It's very insightful. This is my first faculty development program. I recently started teaching after 18 years of working in industry. So it is very insightful for me, in spite of having a lot of hands-on experience. The direction what the experienced people and the sequence you have scheduled this whole program is fantastic. Like what not you have covered from the basic design to history of architecture, building construction, and finally the professional practice. Today's session, it's wonderful. The pinpoints what madam has highlighted were wonderful. Like the whole design is fantastic. I would like to appreciate each and everyone who has involved in designing this and making a super duper hit. And I can see the same energy from the team of conducting this and the participants, equal energy is shared, and there is a lot of reciprocation. It's not like what is presented. It is not one-sided one. It is always a give and take and discussing and balancing. So I really appreciate this, and I really enjoyed. Like everyone says, it is every day is new topic, well experienced, and people from all corners have joined. I can see a lot of my seniors, my peers, my colleagues, and I would like to thank my director sir who has given this link much in advance so that I can register, because I have seen few of my faculty miss this, and I strongly believe still that they have missed a lot not attending this. So thank you once again, each and everyone from bottom of my heart, and all the best, SPA. I would like to see a lot of programs with this energy. You have to plan a lot more for sharing and caring for our fraternity. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for your feedback. Yes, we will definitely plan for such things in future also. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir, Architect Nageshwar Rao. It was really encouraging, and as you said, some of your faculty could not register because the Atal portal has closed the registration. Otherwise, they would have got a chance to do it. Since Atal had closed the registration, we could not encourage participants to register later at a later time. Thank you so much.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you so much, sir. Architect Mona, sir. Yes, ma'am. Yeah. You can proceed.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Architect Mona Sood, and I completed my BR from Chandigarh College of Architecture, and at present I am pursuing PhD from Chitkara University. And first of all, it was a rich learning experience for a person like me who's not a techno savvy, and especially the sessions on online platforms and the online tools that we became familiar with now. I'm aware that most of my colleagues are not aware of these Mentometer, Slido, and Percy. So now I can really boast of that I know all these interactive tools, and it was a privilege to listen to all the experts and resource person. And kudos to the faculty and organizers, School of Planning and Architecture, Vijayawada, for conducting such a successful and insightful FDPs. All these sessions were really interactive and informative, very engaging and stimulating. So thanks to all of you for giving us such an opportunity to attend the FDP. Thanks again.
Thank you.
Thank you, Architect Mona, sir. Thank you for your feedback. But as you said, I think we are really grateful to the resource persons who have readily agreed and came here or came to this platform and shared their knowledge. Thank you.
Thank you, Architect Mona. In fact, we are fortunate to have such active participants in the FDP, because all the participants were actively participating, so that even if we had actually planned for 2 hours, every session went on beyond 2 hours, because we could not conclude it because of your active participation. And the resource person were also very patiently interacting with all the queries that the participants
But
asked.
ma'am, this credit goes to all of you. You made us feel so comfortable, and especially the WhatsApp group. We have all like minds, in that group, and we are interacting like we've known each other for such long. And it was really very interactive, and seriously made us feel very comfortable. And thank you.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
I think now the participants are all busy taking up the assessment. Dr. Priya, should we just hold on for a few minutes?
We've already shared.
Yeah, I have shared it.
I didn't get you.
I've shared it at 3:15. So I think all the participants are busy with that.
Yes, I think, okay, yeah, they can.
Shall we wait till 3:45 to get back into session? Yes.
We can wait here, but actually answering the questions shouldn't take half an hour. If somebody finishes early and comes back, should we check?
We can still share.